Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you on how to show your active status for specific people on Facebook using your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook. Step 2. Click on the messenger icon from the top right corner. Step 3. Click on the three dots icon. Step 4. Click on active status. Step 5. Toggle on the switch next to active status. Step 6. Click on edit next to active status, on for some. Step 7. Check the box next to desired people. Step 8. Click on save. Step 9. Check the circle next to active status, on for some. Step 10. Click on save. By following these simple steps, you can choose specific people to see your active status on Facebook. Stay connected with the ones that matter most to you. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks.